Flex time again, guys. Ito naman yung Lebron 18 best of 1 of 9. University blue colorway. Magaan tong sapatos, miski high cut. Goods na goods sa pang basketball. Flex natin on feet. Yung Nike Lebron 18 ay na-release noong April 1, 2021. Tsaka iba ting colorway nito, University blue. Thank you guys for watching. Abang lang, marami pa tayong flex. Salamat!